Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today, from you can see the title, I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me. My fan is in the back, don't mind it, it's really hot in here. But I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me because I am going out today just for a little while. I'm just going to have basically like lunch with a friend of mine. So I'm taking you guys along with my get ready with me process of going, and then I might get a few clips there also when I go, like just like the ambiance of the place and stuff like that. I might also get that, and then when I come home, I'll end it. So, I've already had a bath and stuff like that already, and I already did my skincare. I just haven't moisturized my skin yet. I've cleansed it, but I haven't moisturized yet. So that is the process of what I'm doing now. It is about 11 o'clock at this moment, I think, and I'm supposed to be there by around 1, around that time. As usual, I'm going to moisturize my skin since I have already cleansed it. So I'm going to be using my Cetaphil moisturizer, and I have this other moisturizer that I use on my face, and then just a little bit of coconut oil. Now that I have done my skincare, I'm gonna take a few minutes, and I'm not trying to rush myself to get ready because I'm not really doing anything extra. So I have my clothes laid out and everything already. So I can show you because it's right here. It's right here. So I'm wearing these flared black pants. I don't know, I don't remember what they were called when I bought them online, but they're like this flare black pants. You'll see them when I put on like the ends of it. The bottom is like a little flare belted kind of moment, and the rest of it just kind of hugs your body. And then I'm going to be wearing this cute little one shoulder, I think it's one shoulder or something like that. So my camera is saying that it's on low battery. I'm gonna charge the battery, and then by the time I come back, I'm gonna show you guys my clothes on, and then I'm going to just fix up my face a little bit and fix my hair and stuff like that, and by that time I should be ready to leave. So I'm back. I hope you can see. So it's almost time for me to leave in a way. I have a little bit of time to spare, so I can just take my time and get ready. So I've put on my clothes. So these are the pants. As I said, they're kind of flared at the bottom there, and then this is the top. It's just one shoulder, and it has like this kind of symmetrical, not really symmetrical, like asymmetrical kind of look. So that is what I'm going with as like the base of what I'm wearing. I'm not sure what I'm using for my bag and stuff as yet, but this is the clothes I'm wearing. Very simple, very easy. Because we're not going anywhere fancy, so it's just very casual. So I'm going to let my hair out and just like fix up my face and put on my accessories and all that stuff. Okay, so I found some jewelry. It took me a second to find the ones that I wanted. I'm doing these two gold bracelets. I'm just doing this little one ring right here. This is the necklace I'm doing, just this one, regular gold necklace, and these. That's it for accessories. I'm really not doing anything much. I need to pick a bag. So I'm using this one. It's like a little rose gold. First, it has the string on it, but I feel like it looks better just like this with like what I'm wearing. I feel like it looks better like this. And then for my fragrance that I'm gonna wear, I'm just gonna, I don't even know. I might borrow something from my mom, honestly. I feel like that's what I'm going to do. This Daisy Love. Where do people normally spray perfume? I can't spray it on my skin because I have sensitive skin. And not even much left back in this. This is the end of my get ready with me section of the video. I'm going to go to the place now. When I go there, I'll try to show you guys like how it looks, the ambience of it, like the vibe of the restaurant. It's really cute. Nothing, you know, big. It's just really simple and cute.